Looking at the machine run might seem quite stressful. After all, there's so much going on, such as secret mechanisms, fail-safes, and more. In the explanation video, I'll demonstrate you the machine step by step, along with a full run of the machine. The machine starts out with a simple button to a dispenser full of minecarts. This dispenser then goes down along this powered rail until it reaches a detector rail. This spot is open for testing purposes. However, it is normally enclosed and filled with rails, so the player does not know that there's something there. Once it hits the detector rail, it triggers a redstone underneath the ground, pushing this piston and pushing the redstone block over here. What this does is activates a string of redstone. This activates a 3-step mechanism. First, the pistons push this part over here, then these pistons go down, and these go to the side. Quite hard to explain, but it's not that complicated. It's just a little piston mechanism. Now, due to this, the minecart will fall down, and due to all the pistons moving, this skulk sensor will activate, which activates a redstone string, moving on to this dispenser. Now, after this dispenses one minecart, it will go down this powered rail and around the wheel and axle. It will then go to this mechanism, which is a tripwire hook. This will bounce the slime block up with the sticky piston, while also resetting the machine with this simple mechanism pulling the redstone block down. The minecart will bounce up and hit this second tripwire, which is then a redstone activator to this dispenser with one villager egg in it. This villager will summon and slowly go down this little water spiral. Not spiral, but a water path. It will fall on these two pressure plates, activating two dispensers, one with a cow, one with a minecart. The cow and the minecart go down this powered rail, go up a really tall water pulley. Now this is a simple piston mechanism. Loops just pushes the minecart onto this pressure plate. The reason why we needed the cow is because if there was no entity, the minecart itself could not activate the pressure plate. This activates yet another two dispensers, really similar. One with a minecart, this time it's a sheep egg. No big difference, it's used for the same deal. So, it goes down this redstone powered rail, and it has a detour sign. That means it will quickly turn left, head all the way down onto that pressure plate, which then it's going to activate this dispenser with tropical fish egg. Tropical fish will go up the pulley and then down, which activates another pressure plate, summoning another dispenser. This dispenser has a minecart inside of it, which will then go down this short little powered rail before stepping into a mechanism really similar to the one we saw in the start. It will then get bounced up by this slime block and reset in the very similar way where it moves the redstone block downward. Now, the minecart will bounce up until it hits the second tripwire. This one does quite a lot of things. Not exactly, but it does 3 things. First off, it starts this piston, which pushes once, but then keeps on pushing. Very similar to that one, except it starts at a given time. Then, it flips down this trapdoor, giving the minecart a safe place to land after it falls downward. After that, it summons one wind charge, which misses the minecart, and right as it lands, it summons another one. That final wind charge will then push the minecart, and it'll go up here, up this water spiral, into a little breather for the machine. After it gets bounced up, it's going to go down here, and it's just going to slowly travel till it hits the powered rail. It will then drop down onto the straight line you were intended to go until the detour, and it keeps going till a detector rail, activating a dispenser. This dispenser has buckets of tropical fish. Whenever it summons, the water, will go down here. It might seem like there's nothing there, but if you activate the barrier block, there's a spiral leading the water and the fish down onto this pressure plate. Once the fish hits the pressure plate, it will flop on it, but don't worry, since there's only one TNT here, meaning it can only be activated once. Once the TNT is activated, it will also activate this long redstone clock, which activates this dispenser only after the TNT explodes. When the TNT goes down here, it's going to explode this part of the roof, entering a gateway straight to the axolotl's mouth. This dispenser then activates maybe a second or so after, dropping the fish down straight into the mouth, which is how the axolotl gets fed, and that's the explanation of the machine.